Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a login page in WordPress in 2024, of course, for beginners. So today we're going to learn how to create a custom login page in WordPress. This tutorial, of course, is perfect for beginners and will help you understand the basics of WordPress customization. So follow along as we build a simple yet effective login page. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. So first you'll need to go and open a browser. Here for me I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever browser you have. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section. Basically in here type wordpress.com. For me, of course, I'll open my localhost at the same time. And of course, once you go to WordPress, if you're already logged into your account, you'll find yourself like here logged into your account. If it's your first time, as you can see, you will find yourself on this page instead. And here you'll find the login option at the top right corner. So if you have an account, click on it. If you don't, click on get started instead. And you'll be able to create your account using Google, Apple, GitHub if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on something like this. So of course, if you want to start or create a login page in WordPress, there are two ways. You can simply start from blank and do everything by your own, or you can even try to install a plugin for some custom login page as an example. So to install a plugin as an example, you basically have to go to this left panel and click on the plugins right here and make sure to look for the plugin that you want. Of course, to create like a login page, you'll need, as example, there are some plugins which I guess one called like theme my login, and this plugin will simplify like the process of creating and customizing some login pages in your WordPress dashboard. Of course, if you don't want to use this one, there are a lot of other plugins that you can do small research and you will find a lot of plugins. And as I said, if you want to start from scratch and beginning, you can basically go to your page. As an example, try to add a new page. Let's just say here I'm just going to add a new page. Once I click on add a new page, and basically we'll have to start customizing my login page as example. So as you can see, I'll just start here with a blank page. Of course, for you can choose like a template for login page if you find one here and change or customize it however you want. As an example, maybe you'll find its own a contact or something like, I don't think so, but it's fine. But for me, as I said, I'll just start from a blank in here. So to create a new login page, of course, from scratch, you'll be able to do it by your own. So make sure to start doing your stuff. Of course, you can even implement it as a code if you want have like an HTML code that will give you I don't know, the login page. Make sure to implement that code right here as an example. Just go and hit that and simply just add your code right here. As an example, for me, of course, I'll just go here and 18 and log into my local host. I'll just go here and open like OpenAI. So OpenAI or chats.openai, sorry. So we go into ChatGPT right away. So I'll just type here, I want to create a login page as example, as simple as that. So a login page using WordPress using the code block, using the code block as example. So give me a code to insert, as simple as that. So to insert and hit the enter button. Once I do so, just wait for him until he, of course, inserts. It may take some time. As example, so to create a custom login page in WordPress using the code block, you can follow the steps. Install and activate a child theme if you are not probably using one. Create a custom page template, add the custom page into that, create a new page as example, and on praise and assign the custom template to it. And then here's a step-by-step guide on how along you'll have to code an example. So create child theme, etc. Do all of those stuff. Create style CSS, add those codes example, create a function and etc. So wait, let me just explain more. I don't think, yeah, remind me later. So I don't think you understand me well. So wait, I want I have the page and everything ready. I need just the code I should insert as an example. So insert into the code block. And let me just wait, of course, for him, or I'll just pause his answer and simply hit that. So he's still giving me like the same answer. And yeah, no, never mind. He's not giving me the same answer anymore. So I'm just waiting for the HTML code. Yeah, that's what I'm even looking for, HTML code. So that's the code. I'll just go and copy that code and basically go here. Sorry, paste that code right here. And it should be good to go. Of course, where you'll be able to see it. Of course, if you want to make any edits to it, make sure to just go here and click on edit as HTML if you like know how to edit as HTML and etc. And yeah, so other than that, as I said, if you want to go and do it as a plugin, you'll have to go to plugins. So for me, I'm not going to do that here. I'll just go and do it on my local host. It's going to be something like that. So I'll just go here in plugins and click on add a new plugin. And as I said, we'll look for a plugin called theme my login. So I'll just go here to the search button and type theme my login, as simple as that. So once I do so, I'll find here some research. So this one, I'll just go and click on sell. Of course, you can simply for you click on it and read what's about us before description, installation, a frequently asked question, change login, even reviews of other people. If you like it, install it now. Of course, you can look for other themes or other like plugins that's going to help you create a login page. You can check that by your own. Once it's installed, you'll have to click on activate button. And once it's activated, of course, you'll be able to start using it on your pages right away. So here, I'll just go and look for it. So theme, it was theme something. Yeah, theme my login, which is this one. So I'll just go here and click on settings as an example. And once I do so, as you can see here, you'll have to change the settings that you want, an example. So I'll just go and remove those messages from here. And yeah, so registration type, you can choose that. The login type is username only, email only, or the default which you have to for passwords if you want to allow users to set their own password and etc. And as you can see here, some slugs for the dashboard, login, logout, register, etc. So all you need to change it, and then you can go to pages, as an example. Click on add a new page, and simply once you add in your new page, make sure to use that plugin to create your login page without any problem, as simple as that. So let me just wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time, and as an example here, you'll be able to use your plugin without, you'll be, as I said, to add it without any problems. Of course, if you want to change everything, like anything about settings, you can always go back to your plugins and simply try to go back to into those settings, for example here, and you'll be able to change everything that you want. Of course, once you change, make sure to click on save so the changes will save, and yeah, you will be good to go without any problems. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.